Planning to hike in Snow Canyon State Park? In just under 2 minutes, we'll show you the top 5 day hikes, from family-friendly trails with slot canyons to ones a bit more challenging. We're Amy and Pete. Starting off is the Petrified Dunes Trail. At just over a mile, this climbs over 200 feet as it takes you along rolling Navajo sandstone dunes. The sandstone looks like rolling waves as you can explore wherever you wish, but just be advised that it is fully exposed, so bring plenty of water and sun protection. Number 4 is Jenny's Canyon Trail. It's only 0.3 miles long and flat. It's a short and sandy trail that leads to a narrow slot canyon that feels way different from the open desert around you. It's great for pretty much anyone who can do a bit of walking, and definitely worth it. Sitting at number 3 is the Johnson Canyon Trail. It's nearly 2 miles round trip and climbs about 200 feet as you are led through the open desert and a sandy wash before arriving at Johnson Arch. After rains, you may even be able to see a waterfall. At number 2 is the Butterfly, Lava Flow, and Red Sands Loop. It's 3 miles long and climbs over 400 feet. You'll get a combination of everything as you cross lava rock, pass near lava tubes, walk through sandy sections, and have views from above Snow Canyon. It's a great way to experience the variety of terrain in the park. And at number 1 is the Scout Cave Trail. It's the longest trail on this list at about 3.5 miles. It only has about 350 feet of elevation gain as it heads to a large sandstone cave tucked away into the cliffs. You'll have great views of the canyon and even get some shade when you're in the cave. And if you're planning other park visits, Amy and I are creating guides for every U.S. park. Subscribe so you don't miss the ones you'll visit next. And if you collect national and state park stickers, you can find ours linked below.